If you're an online fitness coach, we will install a complete client acquisition system, ads, setters, and a sales funnel into your business. And if you don't sign at least 10 new clients every month after it's installed, you don't pay. Here's exactly what you'll get with our online growth engine. Firstly, you'll get a daily flow of qualified leads. So we'll launch ads that bring in 30 to 50 targeted leads every single day. You'll never wonder where your next client or lead is coming from again. And secondly, we'll take over your inbox by installing a trained appointment setter. We'll hire, train, and place, and then manage a professional appointment setter who books your calls for you. So there's no more chasing conversations or wasting hours and hours in your DMs. And thirdly, we'll install a high converting sales funnel. So we'll actually take your sales process and upgrade it with some pre-call videos, objection handling, and social proof, and a sales page to show people exactly why you're the right choice. This means higher show rates, better qualified calls, and more closes. And here's the best thing about this process, that once we install it, if you don't hit at least 10 new clients every single month, you don't pay. Now, how can we make this promise? Because that sounds like it's going to cost us a load of money, but it doesn't, because we've already installed this in over 100 coaching businesses. And this is the same system that I use to scale my own fitness business to 7 figures. Clients like Sam have gone from $8,000 a month to $25,000 a month in just 60 days. Steph added 14 new clients in her first month after installing this system, even though she tried ads before and it had never worked. And Brendan pulled in over $40,000 in 1 month while working fewer hours, despite the fact that he had no idea about ads and he had no idea what a setter was in the first place. See, this isn't theory, a course, or a mentorship. This is a proven model installed in businesses just like yours, done for you by my team. So if you're ready to see exactly how this works, book a call below. There's absolutely no pressure. We're not going to hard sell you, because I guarantee if it doesn't work, you don't pay. We don't benefit from pushing people into things where it's not going to work. Now, if you want to know why this system works so well, let me break it down in some steps for you. First reason is the combination of lead volume and setter management. See, most coaches might dabble in ads if they've ever even looked at it at all. And even then, they might only get 10 or 20 random leads, maybe a client or two if they're lucky, or they just spend hours manually chasing people around the internet, trying to have conversations and wasting time in their inbox. It's inconsistent, and more importantly, it's exhausting. See, we fix that by running ads created for you by our expert ads team, scripting, editing, everything you need. And these bring in over 1,000 targeted leads every single month. And secondly, we install a fully trained, fully managed appointment setter who's going to qualify those leads and book calls for you. So instead of just posting content and hoping that people book calls, you've got a predictable working system that fills your calendar. And reason number 2 is a faster ramp time to get this going. Hiring and training setters for a normal person usually takes 30, 45 days, and even then, they're usually not very good. That's wasted leads and lost sales. And ads, people are making up content, thinking about what works, trying random different things, and they never get the results that they want. We shortcut that by training setters already before they even get to your business, then personalizing them on your actual funnel and making sure that they hit KPI and book calls for you within 7 days. We also use professional content writers to script your ads and professional editors to edit your ads and install them for you. So there's no technical issues, there's no content issues, it just works. And that's why our coaches scale faster, because we compress months of your trial and error into days. So here's the deal. If you're an online fitness coach and you want a proven system already installed in over 100 businesses that generates predictable lead flow, fills your calendar, and guarantees you 10 new clients every single month, done for you, book a call right now. We'll show you how the growth engine works, how we install it in your business, and why it's the last and only client acquisition system that you'll ever need. Click below, book a call.